Now we can do a short exercise. You are given in bracket the adverb, but you must insert it in the sentence in the correct place. So you are given a sentence with the adverbs in bracket, and what you're going to do is insert the adverb in bracket in its proper place. So you need to read aloud and see where the adverbs can be inserted. Insert the adverb in brackets in its proper place. In its proper place. And that's what we are going to do. So I will write the sentence first with the word in the bracket, and you see where it fits in correctly. First one. Sneha looks beautiful. Sneha looks beautiful. Sneha looks beautiful and tidy. And tidy, that's a sentence, and in the bracket you have always. You have always. And the next sentence, we leave space and then we go to that. They searched for the letter. They searched for the letter. They searched for the letter but did not find it. But did not find it. And you have in bracket, you have everywhere. The next sentence is, small children go to sleep early. And here word here, usually. That's a word been given. Okay, now let's do these three and see where, always, everywhere, usually can be inserted. So the adverbs always, adverb everywhere, adverb usually. Where does it come in? Sneha looks beautiful and tidy. So where will it come in? Sneha looks always beautiful and tidy. Very good. So you say Sneha looks always beautiful. So you have put in always beautiful and tidy. So what have we done here? We have inserted the adverb always in the correct place. Sneha looks beautiful and tidy. So you put in always, so you have Sneha looks always beautiful and tidy. The next sentence, they searched for the letter but did not find it. And the adverb given is everywhere. They searched for the letter everywhere. They searched for the letter, put it everywhere but did not find it. So, you will write they searched for the letter, for the letter. Now you insert the word everywhere. They searched for the letter everywhere but did not find it. But did not find it. So we've done 2 sentences. And the next we have is small children go to sleep early. So that will be small children usually go to sleep early. So you have small children usually go to sleep early. Go to sleep early. Okay, we have done 3 sentences for you, and let's look at it once again. What we have done is inserting the adverb in the correct place. Insert the adverb in bracket in its proper place. We have Sneha look beautiful and tidy. So where did we put in? Sneha looks always beautiful and tidy. Next we have they searched for the letter but did not find it. And we have everywhere. So they searched for the letter everywhere but did not find it. The next we have is usually. Small children go to sleep early. Small children usually go to sleep early. We have just done 3 sentences and we'll do some more, inserting the adverb in its proper place to make correct sense. We'll do few more sentences, inserting adverbs in the proper place, okay? And practice makes us perfect. The 4th sentence. 4th sentence. I spoke to her. I spoke to her. And the word is outside. Next we have is, this bag is heavy and cannot be lifted. This bag is heavy. And cannot be lifted. And the word you are given is extremely. Next sentence. Basketball players are tall. Basketball players are tall. And the word given is mostly. Then another one. The cup is full. The cup is full, and the word, the adverb given is nearly. Nearly. So, let's read aloud and try to insert the adverb outside, extremely, mostly, and nearly in the correct place. I spoke to her. So what will it be? I spoke to her outside. I spoke to her, and the adverb comes last. Outside. Outside. I spoke to her outside. This bag is heavy and cannot be lifted. This bag is extremely heavy. This bag is extremely heavy and it cannot be lifted. This bag. This bag is, and you put the adverb here, extremely. Extremely heavy and cannot be lifted. And cannot be lifted. Very good. And the next one. Basketball players are tall. So what will it be? Basketball players are mostly tall. Basketball players are mostly tall. Tall. So inserted mostly over there. The cup is full. The cup is nearly full. The cup is nearly full. Now, look at the first one. We are inserting adverbs, given adverbs in the correct place, proper place. I spoke to her. I spoke to her outside. The bag is heavy and cannot be lifted extremely. This bag is extremely heavy and cannot be lifted. Basketball players are tall. The word given, mostly. Basketball players are mostly tall. The cup is full. You are given nearly. The cup is nearly full. So adverbs outside, extremely, mostly, nearly be inserted in the correct proper place. The eighth one, we go on. Just few more we have. Eighth one. The child was tired. The child was tired. Was tired. And slept. And your adverb given is soundly. The child was tired and slept, and you're given the word soundly. The next one is, it is a hot day. It is. It is a hot day, and the adverb given is very. And then you have one more. Do you go to school? Do you go to school? The adverb given here is when. When. So we're going to insert all these adverbs in the proper place. You have adverbs soundly, very, and when. The eighth one is, the child was tired and slept. So The child was tired and slept soundly. Okay, the child was tired, and slept soundly, and slept, and the adverb goes right down, soundly. Then you have, it is a hot day. It is a very hot day. It is. It is a very, very hot day. And finally we have, do you go to school? The adverb given is when. When do you go to school? When? When do you go to school? So we have put in soundly, very, and when. The child was tired and slept soundly. It is a very hot day. When do you go to school? We have learned to insert the adverbs given in brackets in the proper place. That's what we learned in this short exercise.